Welcome back to Ready, Set, Go. Today we'll be reading Big Guy Took My Ball, an Elephant and Piggy book by Mo Willems.
And we'll be making paper plate tennis.
Woohoo! We'll be reading an Elephant and Piggy book called A Big Guy Took My Ball by Mo Willems and published by Hyperion Books for Children. So big thanks to them for letting us read this. Okay, A Big Guy Took My Ball. Gerald, I found a big ball and it was so fun. And then a big guy came and he took my ball. I am so upset. Oh, give him a hug. That is not good. That is not right. Big guys have all the fun. What about the little guys? What makes those big guys think that they are so big? Their size? Well, I am big too. I will get your ball back from that big guy. My hero. Here I go. Let's see how big this big guy is. Did you get my ball back? That is a big guy. You did not say how big he was. He is very big. He is bigger than I am. Much bigger. I am smaller than he is. Much smaller. He is so biggy big big. Gerald, did you not get my big ball back, did you? I did not. Excuse me. Thank you for finding my little ball. That is your ball, and you think it is little? Well, I am big. So big that no one will play with me. Little guys have all the fun. Big guy, would you like to play whale ball with us? What is whale ball? We do not know. We have not made it up yet. With a little help, we can all have big fun. Look at them. All right, you guys, the end. Thanks again to Hyperion Books for letting us read this today.
Hey guys, today we're going to be doing the K to grade 1 craft for Ready, Set, Go. So we're going to be doing paper plate tennis today. Let's jump into the craft.
So what you're going to need for today's craft is a hot glue gun. You're going to need some paper plates. You're going to need some large popsicle sticks or paint stick stirrers that you can get from the hardware store. And then you're going to need some markers to help you decorate. And lastly, you're going to need a balloon to play with. So to start out, you're going to want to glue your large popsicle stick to the back of the paper plate. When you do this, make sure you put a lot more on than I did in this video. When we did try and do it the first time, the paper plates fell off the front. So just make sure you're putting a lot of glue. You could even reinforce it with some tape if you wanted, because when we did go back with more glue afterwards, they did end up holding. So just keep that in mind. So just make sure you do that to both of your plates and then let them dry. Now they're dry, you can start to decorate. So you can decorate however you like. You could paint them, but we just used markers, and I went for a rainbow for the first one. But yeah, just do any decorations you're feeling. So now we're done decorating, we get to play. Have fun, guys!
There you have it. There's our paper plate tennis. So go and challenge your friends and have some fun.
Thanks for tuning in.